Well, thank you, Mr. Chairman, and thank you, Madam Attorney General, for coming today. Madam Attorney General, you mentioned earlier that your first consideration in any case was to start with the statute. And I know there are a lot of questions already that's addressed this issue, but I want to read you 18 U.S.C. 1924, where it says, any federal official who, quote, becomes possessed of documents or materials containing classified information of the United States and knowingly removes such documents or materials without authority and with the intent to retain such documents or materials in an unauthorized location shall be fined under this title or imprisoned for not more than 1 year or both. Now, this statute doesn't require an intent to profit or to harm the United States or otherwise act in a manner disloyal to the United States. It simply requires intent to retain classified documents at an unauthorized location, something FBI Director Comey's own comments suggest was the case with Hillary Clinton's investigation. Can you walk us through your reasoning on your non-prosecution decision in the Clinton-based case based on this particular statute?
Congressman, with respect to the reasoning for my recommendation, as I have stated before, I had committed to and did accept the recommendations of the team working on this matter. And as I indicated in my opening statement, it would not be appropriate for me as Attorney General to go into that level of analysis. I believe the FBI Director has chosen to make his recommendations and analysis public in order to afford more clarity into that. But the team did review the laws, the relevant facts that the investigation revealed. They relied solely on that and not on anything else in making that recommendation, which was unanimous to me.
Well, Madam Chair, Madam Attorney General, you know, the FBI doesn't give an opinion or decide if an individual will be prosecuted. You do, but many members already, I can see where this is going. They've far more capable members of this committee have summarily failed, as I just did, to get you to answer even the most reasonable and relevant question. And consequently, I'm going to simply capitulate to your prodigious dissimulation skills and suspend the remainder of my questions. Instead, I just want to remind all of us that in a republic like America, which is fundamentally predicated on the rule of law and the equality of us all under the rule of law, there are few things that break faith with America and the American people and undermine their trust in their government more than witnessing the highest law enforcement officer in the land blatantly ignoring the crystal clear meaning and equal protection and equal enforcement of the laws as they are written. And Madam Attorney General, I think such an abrogation of your official duties and responsibility, not just a matter of what will be written writ large in the annals of your own legacy, it's something rather that goes to the very heart of the rule of law in a republic that so many lying out in Arlington National Cemetery have died to keep. And I hope going forward, if there are other investigations into the false testimony given to the Congress by Mrs. Clinton, that will be at least part of your consideration. With that, I yield back.